Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you about attendance report in subject attendance. So this is the dashboard for subject attendance. To go here, click on attendance and select subject attendance, which will redirect you to this subject attendance dashboard. To get the report attendance report for your class, we'll select our class over here. Suppose say I'm selecting grade 6. I click on attendance report. It will fetch the attendance report of the sixth grade. So here we can see it will list all the subjects of the grade 6 and the students and the attendance count. So here one, that means one lecture has been conducted and attendance has been marked. There are four lectures where attendance has been marked. In maths there are three lectures where attendance has been marked. So these are the total lecture of attendance marked, and down there are the percentage of its students. So at the first student in subject, she was present for one lecture, and out of one lecture she has marked as her attendance. So first it's showing 100% for English, and for science there were total four lectures, three lectures that student was present and one lecture student was absent. So 75% of attendance in science. In this way you can get the attendance report for each subjects in your class. So it will display all the students. By default it will display 10 students in the row. You can also increase the count by selecting the entries for over here. So you can see here 100 per 50 students are displayed over here, and the red marks are the threshold values, which students attendance is less than threshold value, then it will show in red color. If students attendance is greater than threshold value, it will show in yellow color. If you want to configure your attendance, in this case by default it might be 70 or 75% as a threshold value. If the attendance, so we can see over here the students attendance is less than 70%, so it's showing red color over here. To change your configuration, you can contact us and make the changes for your configuration. Suppose now you want an subject report, attendance report for particular subject for grade 6. So I will select my subjects over here science and click on attendance report. So here it will display the attendance report for only science subjects, social science report. So if you want to download the Excel of this social studies subject, click on this Excel icon. It will download the Excel file for your subjects. So if you want to download a Excel report for the whole class and all subjects, select our combination. Resume. So now I have downloaded a class Excel. You can see all the subjects attendance have been included in Excel file, and we can see the aggregate and average of all the students at the last. So in this way, basic uh, attendance report you can find over here. Now there are one another report you can generate from here is by selecting the month. So if you want your attendance report for particular month, you can select that particular month over here. So I'll select, say, for April month I want the attendance report. I'll select the April month and I'll click on attendance report. So it will show the attendance report for my class 6th grade and all the subjects and for the month of April. So you can see in the month of April there were two lectures for science. There were one lectures in English. There were three lectures in maths, three lectures in social studies. In this way. So now, if you want to, maybe we'll check for the month of June, which is upcoming, and there are no attendance mark yet. So let's check over there. So correct. So here it shows 0000 over here, as in it is upcoming month and no attendance has been marked in that month. If you want some particular subjects English in the month of April, we'll select this combination, say attendance report. So here we can see for the month of April and English subject, these are the attendance report for this grade 6 class. In this way, you can use all these combinations to generate your attendance report. If you want your attendance to be attendance report for particular date range, you can see, click here to switch the calendar, and now you can select the start date and end date from this drop down. So say suppose if you want to attendance report from April first week to April second week, and you can click on attendance report, which will display you attendance report between these two date ranges. So in these two date ranges, as if we can see there was a vacation and there are no attendance or lectures conducted, it shows all report as none. So these are some various report you can generate from subject attendance report. Thank you. If you are facing any problem, you can always reach out at us at support@educloud.in. Thank you.